key to giving a good kiss with a lot of tongue, ironically, is to be very sparing with how you use your tongue. I have said this so many times, please listen and please obey me. At no point during your makeout session should your tongue touch your partner's lips before your lips do. So this is what should not happen. How horrible was that? Here, wait, let me do it again.
Okay.
Ugh.
Oh, that was worst ever. I've never experienced something worse than that.
Oh, I have. I really have. You should never, the tongue comes after. The tongue is maybe the main course, but you have to build up to it with appetizers. The appetizers are the lips. So you want to kiss, kiss, kiss with the lips, then pop the tongue. So once the tongue is like in the scenario, you want to make, sorry, I'm such a dork. You want to make sure that your rhythm matches your partner's rhythm. So everything that you're doing, your partner is also reciprocating. So you guys are a mirror image of one another. So this means go slowly. Let your partner, if you're a girl, let the man set the pace. Let him decide how much tongue comes in, and then more, and then more, and then more, until you guys are going at it. But again, if he pulls away, your tongue should not be out of your mouth.
No.
Reel it back in, ladies and boys.
Yeah.
Wait, you want to see it? Well.
What?
Oh.
You guys want to see it?
They want to see it.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is like a dinner. So it's appetizer first.
And I love appetizers. I love to fill up on appetizers.
Right. So it's calamari first. Oh, here comes the Caesar salad.
So I love Caesar.
Oh, is my steak done? Yeah, please put the filet mignon down. Thank you.
Yep.
See how it's a little, but it's not overwhelming.
Right.
It's there, but it's not just like the scene from Aliens. It's just it's just a little bit.
Sometimes what looks good on camera, like in porns, don't act like you guys don't watch it, is not actually what feels good and is what enticing is enticing to your partner. So a little bit goes a long way with tongue and with main courses, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Just eat half of whatever it is they serve you.
You don't want to see this.
No.
It's just like. Boom.
Let's show them what not to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, this is gonna be horrible.
Okay. Here we go. Not to do, guys. What
don't do
not
this.
To do.
I don't even want to do it.
Do it. This is. We have to show them what not to do.
Oh, God! Are you my golden retriever?
Yeah.
I'm now kissing the dog.
I need to be taken out.
Guys, there's nothing worse when you're going in for a passionate kiss with a girl and she thinks it's gonna be all sexy, and then just before you get there, boom! There's a tongue that comes out like some hideous lizard out from under a rock, attacking your face.
You don't want to
It might look something like this.
Oh, you want it?
Maybe.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I can't.
Ugh.